it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, quarantine time is on and I know how difficult it is to stay indoors, but please understand it is important for us. So please stay at home, maintain social distancing and keep washing your hands again and again. Right? So guys, it's already like 2 a.m. and I had decided that I'll make a video so that for this home workout, but I was just not getting time. I just got free from the work which I was doing, and so I thought not to disturb anyone else in the house, so I'm using artificial light. You may see some reflection at the back, so please bear with it guys, but I want to make this video for you all so that you can utilize your quarantine time in a productive way. So guys, I'm taking so much of effort. Please just don't sit and watch it. Just unroll your mat and get on the mat and just practice with me. And yes, I'm gonna do very slow exercises, and it's a beginner's exercise basically, so anybody can do it, like a child also, or an adult also can do, or maybe an elder person can also do. So all of you, please join me now and let's just start our yoga practice. And one more thing guys, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I've decided that I'm gonna put very interesting videos in next few days which will be like a great help, especially for kids, and especially to increase your immunity. So stay connected and do subscribe to my channel. So let's start our today's practice. So guys, first of all, sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in Sukhasana or any ways you're comfortable. Just sit in that position, hands on your knees, palms facing upwards, back straight, shoulders away from your ears. Deep inhale, deep exhale. And now we inhale, and while exhalation we'll chant Om. So inhale again. Let's do one more time. Inhale. Relax. Now slowly rub your palms. Put them on your eyes, face, neck, chest, arms, stomach, legs. Now keep your hands by your side and slowly forward bend. And just pray to the Mother God to keep us grounded and healthy all the time. Now inhale and come back and relax. Now hands in front of your body. Keep your hands at shoulder level and shoulder width apart. And now we do wrist rotation 5 to 10 times clockwise, 5 to 10 times anti-clockwise. Relax. Now inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Now we do shoulder rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, same 5 to 10 times you can do it. Relax. Now from here, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And now we do the neck rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, and relax. Now spread your legs in front of your body. Now inhale, exhale. Do it 5 to 10 times. And now rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Now lie down on your back, hands by your side, palms facing upwards, and relax your body. And from here, just fold your left leg first. Inhale and slowly bring it towards your chest. Now interlock your fingers and hold your knee with your hands. Inhale and get your head towards your knee. Try to touch your head or your nose to your knee. In case if it's possible, do that. If you're not comfortable, you can hold it here as well. Hold it here for a few seconds. Now slowly exhale and go back. Now again with right leg, fold your right leg, bring it closer to your chest. Inhale, try to touch your head to your knee. Now this is Pavan Muktasana, very good asana for people who are suffering from constipation problem or any sort of gastric problem. Exhale and go back. Now fold both your legs, get them closer to your chest. Hold your knees with your hands. Inhale and try to touch your head to your knees. Exhale and slowly go back. Now we do our next asana, that is Padottanasana. Now from here, inhale and slowly we raise both our legs towards the ceiling, and exactly at 90-degree angle you just hold them here. Keep your core engaged right now. In case if you're not able to do it, you can do it with wall support as well. Now slowly go back and relax. Now lie down on your back, hands by your side next to your chest. Touch your head, forehead on the floor. Now slowly inhale and lift your body up. Let's get into Bhujangasana. Now hold your asana here for some time. You don't have to overstretch it right now. Just hold it here. And slowly exhale and go back. Go very slow. Now again inhale and up. And this time you can stretch your body a little more. And then we go back and relax. Now hands by your side, and we do our next asana, that is Dhanurasana. Now fold your legs, and with your hands you just try to hold the ankles of both your legs. And inhale and slowly lift your body up. Exhale and go back. And relax. Now we sit in Vajrasana. And from Vajrasana, get onto your knees. Give a little gap between your legs. And now keep your hands at your back. And slowly slide your hands and just try to reach the ankles of both your legs, and just Stretch your body nicely here. This is our camel pose, also known as Ushtrasana. It is one asana which is very good for your heart chakra, for your throat chakra, and it will help you out a lot in dealing with the anxiety and stress which is happening right now. Now inhale slowly and slowly up and relax. And now from here, just lock your hands at the back. Inhale slowly, slowly up and head goes down. Just try to touch your head to the floor. Now inhale and come up and relax. And now we do our butterfly pose. For that, sit comfortably and join both the soles of your feet and hold them with your hands and try to get them closer to your pelvic area. Back straight and just move your body like this as if a butterfly is just, flapping its wings to fly. This is one asana which is very good for all your internal abdominal organs and especially for males and females reproductive organs. It's really helpful for that. Hold. Inhale and slowly, slowly forward bend. Try to touch your head to the floor first and if possible touch your chin as well. Now inhale and slowly, slowly up and relax. And now we do Gomukhasana, that is cow face pose. For that, just sit comfortably and make sure that the knee is exactly above your left knee. Hold the asana here. Now inhale, raise your hand up and try to lock it with your other hand. I'll show you the back posture as well. Now inhale, hand up, hold it here. Exhale and hand down. And similarly you repeat it with other leg. Inhale, hold it here. In case if you're not able to hold your hands here, you can take support of some belt or some towel which will help you holding it here. And it's very good for shoulder, frozen shoulder basically. Now exhale and release. And now just lie down in Shavasana for a few minutes. Just relax your body nicely. Feel the flow of energy in your toes, in your calves, in your knees, thighs, your abdomen, your buttocks, your stomach, your chest, arms, throat, your face and your crown. Whole body relax and observe your body nicely. Now take your hands at the back of your head and stretch your body nicely. Turn your body to the left side and slowly get back into your sitting posture. Now just rub your palms nicely. Put them on your eyes, on your face, on your crown, at the back of your head, chest, arms, stomach, legs. Slowly and slowly open your eyes. I hope you guys enjoy practicing with me. So guys, keep practicing and make full use of your quarantine time and stay happy, stay beautiful. Lots of love and blessings to you all.